I just can't give it up. Yeah. Yes sir, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy D Nolly, aka Don Squally, and in today's video, man, we are doing a how to remove and install a lower rearward control arm for an Infiniti G35 or Nissan 350Z. Now this is only going to work for the rear wheel drive G35s, I'm pretty sure, as the all-wheel drives are a little bit different. So basically what we're going to be doing today is just giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove this part. I'm going to show you a few of the problems that I actually encountered, and then I'm going to give you guys the solutions that I used in order to fix those problems, man. So with that being said, let's get right into it, man. This first part isn't really necessary, but I like to remove the caliper, remove this bolt here, this bolt here, this bolt here, this bolt right here. Completely remove this off, then you'll be able to get the rotor, and then you'll have access to everything that you need to remove here. Alright, so we're going to be removing this bolt here at the bottom. Also going to be removing this bolt right here, as well as on this arm right here. You're gonna have one at the end of this, and then you're also gonna have one right here. That's gonna remove that A arm right there and allow us to completely remove this arm right here. So this bolt right here ended up coming out with no problem. Just had to grind down the cotter pin right there. But this side, had to completely tear the whole boot in order to get it off. This piece right here, had to make a cut in it, grind down the top in order to get that piece out. And that is how we take out that piece. And the reason we had to change this up and down, that clunking noise. And going to be replacing them with some used lower compression arms off the beater G35. These are just going to be temporary, probably for the summer. We'll see. Right now they don't make any noise, but if they start to, I'll just remove those and have them replaced with something good. And then, as you can see, everything back together. Go ahead, take care of the other side. Then on the driver's side, just had to make a cut here, just where the cotter pin was, and then I had to cut the entire bolt off, but it ended up coming off of the bolt from the frame there, so I just greased it up before I go ahead and slide it on. Didn't have to cut this side off. After a couple hours, driver's side is back in, coilovers are on, brakes are bolted up. Just about ready to wrap this video up, man. And that pretty much sums it up for the install. So as you guys can see, we ran into a couple of problems with that bushing. Ended up actually having to cut that right in half and use an air chisel to kind of open it up and free it up. That was on the passenger side. Luckily, the driver's side was a little bit easier. All in all, took me about 3 hours to complete this job. So for those of you guys who are unsure about tackling this specific job, it's definitely not that difficult. You just need to make sure that you have the right tools, because well, if I was sitting there with a chisel and a hammer, things probably would have taken a little bit longer. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this one. As always, I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely do so. If you guys found this video helpful, smash that like button, man. But as always, I'm your boy Denali, aka Don Squally, and we're gonna catch y'all mofos at the next one, man. Peace.